Dali niya i-ride, gaang. Yeba, yeba!
Yeba, yeba!
Yeba, yeba!
Yeah!
Yeba, yeba! Yeba, yeba!
Yeah, it's fun. Nice. It's a very nimble bike. Hi, my name is Michael. I ride a 2009 Kawasaki Ninja CX-6R.
Hi, my name is Andre. I ride a 2006 R6. So Michael, what do you think about the 2013 Ninja 300 that we rode a couple of minutes ago?
I like the paint scheme, the body style. I like the way it handles. It's nimble, it's light.
What about the torque of the bike? Did you find enough power for the Ninja 300?
Yeah.
Well, for a 300, it has a lot of power, and it's very nimble, very light, and also just fun to drive on the streets or the canyons. What do you think about the main power of the Ninja 300?
I had fun riding the 300. And the thing about the tires, I don't like the tires because it feels like it's bumpy and it's hard. And I don't have confidence on the canyons. How about you? What do you think about the tires?
With the tires, I kind of noticed that every time we would lean, it would sort of kind of just a little bit like
slippery,
slide.
yeah.
It'll slip a little bit, but with the lightness of the bike, it just makes it a lot easier to recover.
Yeah.
And I mean, but the tires are kind of hard compared to an R6 or a Ninja 636,
Yeah.
where the composite of the tires are a little softer on the edges, so you can lean more, less slide. So Michael, when we took the bike to the canyons, what did you think of the ride going up there?
You have enough power to keep you entertained, and you have a nimbleness, the lightness of the bike. It's easy to
lean back and
to
forth.
go back and forth, yeah.
And I also think that as far as for the expert riders out there, they will have a lot of fun with this bike. I mean, compared to the 2006 R6, with the power and everything, it's a big difference. But in the canyons, I think the Ninja 300 will be able to keep up with the R6s, the R1s.
Yeah, I think so. Because I ride a CX-6R and I enjoy riding the 300.
Yeah, and I mean, as long as it's an experienced rider on the 300, I think they'll be able to keep up, no problem.
Yeah,
leaning back and forth.
It's fun to put your bike on a maximum level.
Oh, yeah.
Like you always put it on a maximum.
Yeah, through the corners. So
Rev it really high.
Yeah.
It's really enjoyable.
Yeah, you'll enjoy a lot. Experts, you'll have fun as well.
Yes.
And also just mediocre riders, you'll enjoy the Canyons better. Anything you didn't like about the bikes?
The only thing I noticed about the bike is the stock tires. I think it's too hard for the Canyons. It's bumpy.
Definitely.
And I feel like when I'm turning, I feel like the tire is skidding. The back tire is skidding a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I noticed too. When we either make a left turn or a right turn, when we're leaning, the bike does feel a little slippery. Like the stock tires don't grip. So I mean, for the expert riders, I suggest install like an aftermarket tires like the Diablo Rosso 2s or any other like the
Q2
yeah, the Q2s and Michelin's and the Bridgestone Battle Axe be good tires for them, so you'll get more grip instead of using the stock tires. What are they called? Road winners.
Road winners.
Road winners more like road losers as far as I'm concerned, because the tires are very dangerous because they slip when you're leaning and you might get into an accident. Hopefully not.
Hopefully.
Power was good.
The power is good.
The torque, the nimbleness of the bike was good. So basically for canyon riding, it's just change your stock tires to aftermarket tires.
Yeah. If you want to save a gas, or if you just want to cruise around, it's a good bike to
commute with, to work
with,
yeah, or maybe even
to
take
pick up your girls. Yeah.
Take it to Vegas.
Oh yeah, take to Vegas. Yeah.
Good mileage.
And I think your back is your back is not gonna hurt because you're riding upright.
Upright instead of a full.
Not like the 600.
Crotch rods, yeah, or the 600 bikes. But commuter bike, definitely good. So anyone wanting to purchase a 2013 Ninja 300,
go for it.
Go for it. It would be a perfect bike for commuter, weekend warriors, experts, mediocres, average people.
Beginners, pros, and gays, gay, lesbian.
Anyone who'd like to ride the bike will love this bike.
Yep.
Take it from us.
Yabba yabba.
Yabba yabba!
Oh yeah. Yeah, I made a power wheelie on the first gear, so it should be fun.
Should be fun to begin, I guess, for like a starting point.
Yeah, maybe you can just change the sprocket and put it in a bigger. One fun fact.
One factor. Why is it easy for beginner stunters to pop a wheelie using a Ninja 300?
I think because of the fuel injector and the gearing of the bike.
Hindi ko pwede salahin yun eh. I don't know. Hindi ko alam.
Ano kinalaman ng fuel injector sa pag-wheelie?
Yung question mo, hindi ko alam eh. I don't know. I don't know.
Ano kinalaman ng fuel injection?
Mahirap i-salvage ito.
Lahat naman lahat ng bike ngayon fuel injected na eh. Huwag na yun, huwag mo nakatakbo yung wheelie na yun.
Hi, my name is Michael. I ride a 2003. I have enough.
Sabi mo, I had enough power. Di ba mas incredible ako?
What did you think about that? Was it easy to ride in the canyon? Sasaluhin ka sana kita eh.
Ewan na ito si Michael, oh. Panira naman ito.
Sasaluhin na kala kita eh.
Ang ganda-ganda.
Sasaluhin na.
Ang ganda-ganda na eh.
What did you think of it as far as for beginners?
For beginners, I think it's an easy bike to ride, and it can give you a entertainment. Big smile. Seryoso na ako eh.
It can give you entertainment and a big smile.
Ano klase entertainment? Porno entertainment? Ulit. Natatawa ko kayo eh.
Patawan natin siya eh.
Nagno-nosebleed na yun pagka gano'n.
Tama na, tama sa